Look at this. Wow. Wow, right up to the bottom of that bridge. The gravel that is here is all soft and stuff. Wow. Isn't that something? Oops. I was gonna turn it off anyways, but wow. So I don't know if the water was higher. It looks like it probably was. Even still, it's just touching the bottom of this bridge right now. But it does look like the water was higher. Just the way the vegetation is all bent over and stuff. That is unreal. Wow, these guys must be worried. And all the people down that way, like that road is completely overflowing. Unreal. It would be really interesting to try to ride over that road, but I don't know it very well. So I don't know how deep it gets or anything. So not doing that. But whoa. Just crazy.